Good day everyone. So today I will demonstrate on how to install applications like VLC and Microsoft Office in a PC. So the first one is the VLC. Just double click the installer and here you can see the next. Just always click the next button and here, and as you can see it started installing on your PC. So just wait to make it done. Here it's finished. So that's how easy to install VLC on your PC. One is Microsoft Office. So that just click the setup, yes, and wait to load. Here it's started installing, so you just need to wait. It will take several times to install all the full application in your PC. So here it's already finished installing the Microsoft Office in your PC. So you just need to close that. Okay, then you need to check if it's really installed in your PC. So to check is just open, search for the word, then open it. Okay. So here, as you can see, there's a Word and the publisher and the PowerPoint also. So, okay, as you can see, we installed an Office in your PC. The Word, okay. So that's all. That's how easy and how to install a Microsoft Office in your PC or any applications.